Hi guys, this is Adnaan Ahmed. You are watching Technoxity. So guys, in the previous videos, I had made a video of Redmi 7A screen not working fix. So that video was about how to fix the unresponsive touchscreen of Redmi 7A. So a lot of people watched it and I got a lot of comments thanking for the video. But then I also received some comments about different devices. I had clearly mentioned that the fix was only for Redmi 7A and it might work with most of the Android phones and Redmi devices. So in this video, let's try to fix it like a universal method for all devices. So the first thing you guys can do, if the whole touch screen here is not working, if nothing is responsive and this touch isn't working, and you can't even power off when you hold the power button, and these buttons cannot be clicked. So what you guys have to do is hold the power button continuously until the phone reboots on its own. So you guys can just see how it will reboot now, and it will reboot on its own. So this was the first method, and this was the video, this was the method I showed in the previous video. So next topic, the next method here is holding the power button and the volume up or down according to your device. It's different for different devices. You can do that and hold it until the Android icon appears on the screen. So after that, you guys can use the volume keys to navigate up and down, and then you have two options there: reboot your device, or the only option left will be factory data reset. So you will have to reset your device in that situation if your device doesn't open up when you do this process. So that's it guys, these were the three methods. The first one is this one, or else you guys can hold the power button and the volume down or up according to your device, and first option you will try there will be reboot your device. Let me just show you. Volume down and power button simultaneously, and if it is not working guys, first you will have to switch off the device and then hold the power button and the volume down button. I don't want to do that because the phone is working properly, and if I just corrupt it, then I'll get screwed at home. So you guys will have to switch off the device using the method I showed, but then if it's not working, you will have to use the factory data reset method. So that's the only way left, and if all these three don't work, then you'll have to buy another phone. So that's it in this video guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.